Do you want to hire new people for you and your locksmith business fast and easy? Well, if you do, then I have the perfect solution for you. Hi, my name is Moshe and I'm an owner of a locksmith company that have 12 working technicians. And during these years, I trained over 100 people that had no locksmith experience to become locksmith technicians to work for me and my company. And in the past few years, I developed a train system that is working perfectly for me and my company, and now I'm sharing it with you. I call it the automatic train because this train system is training new people automatically to become locksmith technicians. And I know for a fact that this train system is working because it's working for me and my company. This train system is like you having a robot that is training and teaching new people to become locksmith technicians for you and your company easily. And the people that you would like to hire will go through a train process that will train them automatically for you and your company. You will need zero physical presence. You could be at home, you can be on the beach, you can continue working on the road, and they will be trained automatically for you and your business. And you will know for a fact that once they finish the train, they will have the basic fundamentals to start to work for you and your business. And more than that, they will be able to complete the train from the comfort of their home or your office. And you will get them ready after a few days that they've been through the train. And you will just gonna have to give them final instructions related to you and your business. I know that it will make your life so much easier, and it will give you the option to grow and scale your business the same way that I grew and scaled my business. I highly recommend you to use it. And once you're gonna use it for the very first time and you will see the magic of it, there is no way you will ever gonna go back to work the way that you did before. To find out more, visit my website at www.locksmithvideosonline.com.